once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so
Hi
you know.
everyone, thank you for clicking to watch this video. My name is Martin and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing the new ORAIMO power bank with a capacity of 20,000 milliamp hour, or basically known as mAh. To start with, the power bank comes in a very nice package, and the model I have today is black in color. There is also a white one for your preference. But first things first, let's start the unboxing. Out of the box, we have the power bank and also a micro USB cable. The power bank comes with two USB-A outputs, one micro USB input and one Type-C input. It has a power button which when pressed once shows the power level through the LED indicators. When double pressed, it activates the LED torch, and when double pressed again, it activates the source lighting alarm in case you have any emergency. The 20,000 milliamp hour comes in handy as it provides enough power to cater for your mobile device, earpods, and even a smartwatch. The best thing with this power bank is that you can charge two mobile devices at the same time. Yes, two devices at the same time. How amazing is that? And so, if you are looking for a power bank, I would highly recommend this ORAIMO power bank as it clearly has the best features and it is also affordable. So drop your comment on the comment section below and let me know what you think about this ORAIMO power bank. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Over and out. See you on my next one.
Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you.